Groove Agent 6 brings powerful new features to Acoustic Agent led by the brand new Punch Kit, plus the ability to layer and replace samples across all acoustic kits. With 45 new kit pieces including kicks, snares and toms, you get maximum punch, power and control, plus the magic of drum layering. Let's check it out. I want to start this video with the Punch Kit. This is a brand new kit in Groove Agent 6 and it sounds massive. As you can see, I've loaded the first preset, accept the offer. Let's have a listen. So as you can hear already, this drum kit sounds massive. It's called Punch Kit for a reason. Listen to the snare. Very, very powerful, and of course we have a lot of options if you want to customize your drum sound. So if I go to my snare, you can see I can add more room to it or make it tight. I can change the overhead sound. I can tune my snare, of course, and of course we have the articulation, so we have muffled, loads and loads of fun. I'm going to load another preset. This is the American Dreamer. Let's try the operation. And one of my favorites, Uptown Flavor. The next really exciting thing that I want to show you in this video is the fact that now you can do layering and drum replacement straight into Groove Agent 6. So let's say I have this groove right here. And let's say I want to layer this snare to beef it up a little bit. So what I can do is I can select the snare and then go to my instruments right here on the media bay. And now I can layer this snare with pretty much every library that I have inside Groove Agent 6, but also with samples from the media bay and also my own custom user samples. But now what I'm going to show you is the new kit pieces that we have in Groove Agent 6 that are designed for this. So you can actually start layering or replacing the snares, the toms and the kicks of your drum kits. Let's go to my kit pieces, and as you can see right here we have kicks, we have snares, we have toms. So if I want to layer my snare, all I need to do is select it and then I can choose to add a new layer. I'm gonna click the plus symbol right here and you will see that straight away my media bay gets updated to only show me snares. So this makes the process so easy. Now all I need to do is select a kit piece and then I'm going to activate pre-listen in place. And now when we play back our track, we will be able to listen to any one of these kit pieces that we have selected. Let's say I like this snare right here. Now if I want to commit to this, I just hit on this tick icon right here and now we have added this as a layer. So if you want, you can tune it, you can change the room level, you can change the overhead level, you can even go here to this cogwheel and you can change the settings for this particular sample, so what articulations are going to play, the velocity response and all these things. And of course if you bring up the mixer, you will see that this layer also has its own channel. So layering is so easy right now, and in the same exact way, if you want, you can actually replace a sample completely. So if I go here to my snare again, I can just remove this sample, I can go to this one, and if I want, I can just replace it entirely. I'm going to hit pre-listen in place again, and you will see that now this original layer is muted, and now I can scroll between completely different snares. So you can actually start creating your drum kit, and of course this is incredibly invaluable when you're producing a track and you want to audition different kit pieces so that you can see if the snare works for that particular track. This is a great way to do this. But it doesn't stop there. There's more, because you can also layer electronic drum sounds with the acoustic drum sounds to beef them up, which is a very cool production trick. Let me show you how to do this. So let's take this groove, for example. Let's say we want to beef up the kick drum in this case. So a very good way to do this is to add an electronic sample underneath our acoustic drum kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my kick drum, select it, and I'm going to go to any one of these libraries that I have here, but also I'm going to show you in a second we can also use any sample pretty much. So let's go to Color Punch, which is a new library in Groove Agent 6, and again I'm going to hit add empty layer, and as you can see now we only get the kicks. Let's try this one, for example. Let's pre-listen in place. Very nice. I'm going to play with the volume a little bit and see if it works with my kick drum. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to commit. And now you will see that we have a bunch of options again. So we have our volume. We also have filter here. We can tune it, of course. But the other great thing you can do is you can click on this Edit Bit Agent layer, and you will see that now I have a popover with an entire sampler. So I can actually go here and edit this sample as much as I want. So if I want, I can just make sure I want to make it a little bit more tight. I don't want this release right here, and I'm going to fade it out. So let's listen with and without. Sounds good. But these grooves, you know? And of course, if I want, I can experiment. I can add a little bit of tube drive. So you can tell the amount of options that you have. That's all done in the same ecosystem of Groove Agent. And of course, if you want to load your own samples, you can go to the browser and start using your own samples, or you can even go to the samples, and now you can actually use all the samples that we have in Mediabase. So in this case, I could actually try and use one of the samples from Nightcall, which is a library that you can find in Cubase. So let's have a listen. I actually like this. Let's commit. Need to add a little bit of it. I don't need it to scream. I'm a layer, you know? And again, I can go in here and edit this sample as much as I want. So if I want to enhance the attack a little bit, I can just add a little bit of pitch shifting at the very beginning of the sample, add a little bit of envelope. So as you can see, with layering, drum replacement, and punch kit, Groove Agent is a true drum production studio. This is just a fraction of what's new in Groove Agent 6. Be sure to check out the other Groove Agent 6 videos on the channel to dive deeper. Have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.